Bro, we got 60 days left. Under 60 days left until we go into 2025. For those that had goals this year and didn't get to it, didn't get accomplished with everything, I got things that I wanted to do that I wasn't able to accomplish everything. But guess what? I've taken steps. I've seen major progress in a lot of things, especially YouTube. And I know going into 2025, one of my main goals is to become a full-time YouTuber. Right? I got a lot of other things that I do, but I know where my passion is at, and I feel like my passion is behind the camera. Seriously. So I want you guys these next 60 days, but that doesn't mean whatever your passion is, just stop whatever you're doing. You guys need to bear down, lock in, get your money up, figure out your hustle. Whatever you're doing right now, whatever your job is, be the best at it. Set the tone, set the tempo, be the best at it. Whatever it is, I don't care if you wash cars. I don't care what you do. Capitalize. Take the overtime. Stay the extra hour. Your boss comes up to you. Hey, can you stay this? Yes, I can. How many hours? Do everything you can to the max capacity. And if you getting off at 5 and you struggling and you're not really where you want to be, get your ass up and figure something else to get you some money. Whether that is you do some gig work, some DoorDash, some Uber Eats, some Instacart, whatever you need to do, some Walmart Spark, get up off your ass and get you an extra couple $100 a day. That times 30, because you should be working for these next under 60 days going into the 2025, set the tempo for the next year. You should be working your ass off. Working your ass off. Also, you need to start learning. Really take the time to learn credit. Really take the time to learn stocks, crypto, investments, money, businesses, how to start a business, LLCs, souls. You know, there's a lot of things you guys need to take in consideration and really need to barrel down and lock in and really get going. Because I see it all the time. Everybody, I read the comments on everybody's videos I watch. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, don't just talk about it. Take action and just start chipping away at it, man. That's really it. I'm not even going to make this video too long. I just felt like I needed to come on here and say something. I feel like I needed to come on here and just talk to the people. And this is what it's going to be about. I didn't script this, nothing. This is off the chest, man. This is off the chest. Lock in for these next 60 days. It's not even 60 days. It's less than 60 days. Lock in. Yo, your homies want to go up. Fuck that. You ain't partying and doing, fuck that. Get your ass in the gym. That's another thing. Get your ass in the gym. Get a gym membership or whatever the case is. Get active. Go on hikes. Run. Do some miles. Do some calisthenics. Do something. But start to take that turn, because I don't want to hear on the first, oh, I'm going to start this. Fuck that. You started it 2 months ago. I'm ahead of you niggas. Fuck that. That's the mentality you guys need to have. Get your ass in the gym and let your work ethic in the gym determine what you're going to do outside of the gym. Like I said, if you're getting off work and you feel like you don't work 6-7 days a week, maybe you should try it. And maybe your bank account and all your problems that you think you have that are so far out of reach, maybe they might just be in reach. That debt you have, because everybody got debt, right? How you gonna get rid of the debt? You just waiting for one of the presidents to just say, fuck it? No, stop looking for handouts and go get your money, man. Lock in, for real. And this is just coming from the heart, bro, for real. I'm not perfect. I'm not. But look what I'm doing right now. And you gonna see me. I'm gonna be all up in y'all face, man. I'm gonna be on here talking because this is what I want to do. This is what I want to do. This is what I want to do. I have already claimed it. I have said it. I have expressed it to multiple people around me who I would call, just supporters around me. They know what I want to do. They know what I want to be. And this is what I'm going for, period. So yes, I'm going to be right here or doing whatever I got to do on my other channels from here on out. And yes, I got other things that I need. I'm not perfect, but guess what? I got 60 days. Am I going to keep the cars? You guys know I run a Turo business. Am I going to keep the cars? What am I going to do? Because if I keep the cars, now I got to devote time to that as well. Don't forget, that's part of my income as well. But I know what I can accomplish on YouTube as well. So for me, with all these cars I got, I could do it. I do it. I still do it. But it takes away time from when I really want to sit down and I really want to create, because I'll be having car rentals at 7. Then I got to go at 10:30. Then I got one at 12. Then I got one at 1. Then I got one at 3. Then one at 7. Then I got to wash these cars. And then someone's late. So every time I'm trying to get a video, I might have to stop and do this and stop. And no, bro, I really want this shit, bro. So I might have to make a decision. You know, I got some heavy shit coming in that I purchased, and you know, we'll see. I'll keep that. But as far as 30 cars right now, I don't think we need to do that. 19 cars even right now. We could decrease just a little bit. Just a little bit. Because I want to do YouTube. And I'm willing to take a pay cut for now to be successful in where I really, really want to do and what I really, really want to be. So that's all I really got to say, man. I'm gonna keep this one nice, short, and simple. I appreciate you guys, bro. I just got to get that off my chest. If you guys ever want to talk, man, drop it down below. I'll get back to you guys. I'll respond to it on a video or whatever the case is. But man, any of my YouTubers out there, bro, I hope I inspire and motivate you guys to hop on the camera and don't be shy. Just be yourself. Don't worry about trying to be somebody you're not, man. Just be yourself, bro. Straight up. So that's all I got for you guys. We got under 60 days. Remember that. Keep that in your head, man, and just grind. Go get it. Be active. Do what you got to do. It's your boy, man. I appreciate you guys, and I'm out.